Hello, my friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we will do the same like we do always. We do some trades. And we see here maybe a good situation. It's nothing here activated at the moment, but we will take this. This is DC 86. It's a 4 dot signal. Yes. And we can use this. It's from 10 to 11. Yes, alert window is deactivated at the moment. It was very close. Started MetaTrader, started the video, and now we see the signal. He was jumping around, yes, for sure. But there was no alert window. And microphone is on. Sometimes I have forgotten it. And now we are in the trade. 4 up. And we can I must make now fast here, not so much blah blah blah. If I don't do blah blah blah, I'm here to concentrate, yeah, not like in the last video, all the kids are crying in Telegram, you were some seconds too late in the trade. Yeah, I love you. Yeah. I know this. This was not the best trading session from starting the trade, going in the trade. But I'm talking too much, yes. So we make 0281.16. No. Now we are prepared for the next trade if we must do this, yes. That's the main. That's the main. We are very good in the trade, yes, very good. And I think this will be our first winner. Winner chicken dinner. So, yes. It's finished. Profit 111. Okay, we go back 130. Full concentrate. Yes. We put here alert on. Chart switch on. Yeah, and here you see we did the trade something later. That's lucky. Yes, lucky cause of starting the MetaTrader that I started here in the. In trade number 3, after he was first signal with 3 or 4, here came the signal 4 or 4. Yes, here came the signal 4 or 4. The trade would be in the money if we also started trading here. Yes? But then we had to do martingale step. Yes, trade number 3. So we did not the first trades, the first and second. So we started in trade 3. That's lucky. I'm so lucky and I'm so horny. No. And not now. But we also have the information here in the statistics about 48, 84, 48, 84, 48, yeah. It's 48%. This means 52% did not work with the first trade. Yes, it's more trades that not work with the first trade than they worked. So if you see this, it's under 50. So this means it's better statistically to trade not, or to trade in the other Richtung, the other way. Yeah, sometimes here is 73, yeah, also 73, then you can do easily the trade. But if it's under 50, also unter 50, don't do. It can be, but it's statistically, here are 33 trades counted, and it was that more than 50% did not work. In the first trade, so we have the information. Then use the fucking information. Yes, use it. Optimize your trading by this. So, we have British pound Canadian dollar. This is PC. 70 is, yeah, it's on the line. Yes. It's M1. So we trade from 14 to 15. But we need here the arrow, yes? If it's hot, we see when there is the arrow. Ja? Also wenn der Pfeil da ist, dann ist es heiß wie Frittenfett. Hier machen wir ein bisschen low, a little bit lower. Euro USD M2 has alerted. It's was very close, but maybe we can enter this trade. Maybe we can enter this trade. This is Rue. Rue with 91%. It will be finished at 16. Yeah, if he is coming back, yes, then we can enter the trade. Yeah, we must here see red candle, then we can enter. Or we go back to our PC. British pound, Canadian dollar. But it's 68. We will make a looky. This is normally under my level. I said 70, 70, not below. But sometimes I'm Mr. Tolerance, yes. But then there must be a signal that is very interesting. We have a 4 signal. USD, Japanese yen. That's DJ. 78. We might look. Yeah, this is better. Not this is not. No. Yes, it's 62. Trade. No trade. Yes, this is good. Very good. We make from 16 to 17. We have the money in. We are on a mid pivot level. Yes, that's a mid pivot level, not a pivot point. It's just from this red and this red in the middle. Yes, not one hard pivot, but it's pivot. It's mid pivot. 3, 2, 1, palm. We are in the trade. Oh ho! What's happening there? We don't do much blah blah blah. We make here fix 78. It's 296. 296.67. It's 617 to 18, and I'm prepared to fight. Whoa! That's a really strong guy. We are in the trade. In the next, we must do martingale. I don't like it, but it's part of the game. And it's 677.01. Yeah, we prepare for the next one and put this 1 minute in the future and wait for the result of this trade. And I hope we will get it here. If not, we must put some trade in, but it's looking currency strange is downward. Yes, it looks very good for a trade, an put trade, put and down. Not that hard movements. I'm looky here, and waiting. Oh, don't like this. Yeah, it's win. We are in the money, honey. So we don't need this. We won this, yes. It's sometimes close, yeah. Here you see all manipulating. Everything is manipulating. No, look. Here is the point where the candle has closed. Yes, and here in the MetaTrader in the view, it was starting here, yes, a little bit lower. We have a little jump, yes. Here we don't have the jump. That's this one. So there are also some differences in the what is this in the third Nachkommastelle, because this is a MetaTrader 5 account from brokerxm.com with this input, and here is pocket option. They can get the prices from different anbieters, and so there can be a little bit difference. It always be, yes. You look here. Sometimes this is a little bit more than this. Yeah. Here we also have a jump in it. Yeah. This is difference in the last Nachkommastellen is always possible. Yes. So don't get panic, and we get the money, honey. Okay, one trade we will do. I'm on pause, make chart switch activate, and come back when it's make bling bling. See you soon. Oh, we have a signal in the DC. 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 Very good. 10 seconds. We trade from. Yes. Okay. 5, 2, 3, 1. I hate this. A Rocket Queen. Ooh. Okay, this trade was killed in the last microsecond, but I did it. Yeah. Uh, maybe next time, memo to myself. We trade M2 and M5. This is not so jump around. Hello? What's wrong here? This trade must be in the money, honey. I reload. Wait. Okay, the website of Pocket Option is down at the moment, but this trade we won clearly. Yes, we won clearly. I make from the trade history then screenshot. This trade is, but it's in the money. Maybe I go on pause and we wait. Maybe the website is coming back.